It's 11 p.m. A tenant texts your maintenance number, clogged toilet, photo attached. You're already in bed. So is the plumber. Your night just got longer. So did theirs. This is what the 365 Agent's maintenance intake does instead. A texting agent built for property management. It takes the text, reads the photo, classifies the urgency, routine, urgent, or emergency, creates a work order, clogged toilet, Unit 4B, in your property management system, AppFolio, Buildium, Yardi, RealPage, whichever one you run. Picks the right vendor from your approved list, plumber, electrician, HVAC tech, handyman. Confirms a morning slot, texts the tenant back with the appointment time, all while you sleep. For flood, fire, or gas, anything life safety, the AI gives 911 guidance and pings you immediately. Domestic safety, complaints, anything that needs a person, escalates to you with priority routing. Everything else runs without you. What that means for a property manager, 70% of the after-hours maintenance grind off your phone. Tenant texts at 11 p.m., vendor scheduled by 11:15, appointment confirmed for the next morning. And every issue is logged with photos, timestamps, and vendor response, the paper trail you actually want, 24/7, 365. The texting agent itself goes live in under 10 minutes. Full property management system integration takes 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your platform. Multifamily, single-family rentals, HOAs, student housing, senior living, commercial. If you manage units, this is the workflow. Configure it yourself or reach out for help to set up your system at 365agents.com.